All right, Boat Whisperer here today with Vast Motorsports video. What's up, Lee? Say hello.
Hey, how you doing?
So today we are here. Imagine this. I'm getting another boat, y'all. Shocker. But we're here to get to Monterey today. As you can see, it doesn't have a trailer, so I got the trailer back here. We're going to get her loaded up. We've got somebody over here that's going to help us out from the boat yard. He's going to lift it up and I'm going to back under it. I hope. That's the plan anyway. So stick around and check out the Monterey in a few. All right, so we got her loaded up. We're using Lee's truck. Thank you, Lee, because mine is tore up once again. All right. That's where we're fixing to head now, is take the module and drop it off. All right, Boat Whisperer back with you here. We finally got her back to the park. Right, Jasper? That's right. So that was about a three and a half hour trip from the boat yard over there, Pompano Beach or something, Florida. It's kind of over near Fort Lauderdale on the coast there, and we had to come back to our RV park here in Wauchula, and we got the boat here safe. So now let me show you the boat and we'll see about what we're going to be doing to it in the future. Jasper, you are getting all tangled up, dog. All right, so here she is, 06 Monterey 268 SS. I need y'all to give me a thumbs up. That's right, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you can keep up to date with me on what I'm going to do to the boat. Is it something that should be scrapped? Are we going to do a Steve-O special to it? A Steve-O the Great? The fixer, as you can see, it has no transom assembly, no outdrive, no motor, no powertrain at all. But guess what, y'all? That's the kind of stuff I do. Now, I do have a really nice, this did have the Volvo setup on it, but I have a really nice Mercruiser MPI 350 with the Bravo 3 dual prop outdrive. So I just picked this one up. I feel like I got a pretty good deal on it. It is almost a 27-foot 06 Monterey open bow boat. So let's get up in here and I'll show you a little something. And again, y'all can let me know, what do you think I should do? Is it a fixer? Is it a scrapper? I can tell you right now, if it would have stayed where it was at the boat yard, it was going to get scrapped because nobody else is going to buy it and take on this kind of project. This looks like a Steve-O special to me, y'all. So, big, nice platform back here, extended platform. Big, nice layout pad, which it might not be real nice right now, but it can be. And I happen to know somebody that does beautiful custom interiors. So it's just a matter of what to do with her now. Got the little transom door here, got the floor drains with a full fiberglass floor in it, so you don't have to worry about the floor rotting out and all that good or bad stuff. Big old layout pad, man. I kind of like that. That's pretty cool, pretty cool. This part folded up and put the little pin in the side, but I took it out a while ago, so that makes your back seat rest. And I guess you could sit backwards this way too, or you can lay it down. Makes a really big layout pad. Got the Kenwood controller over here at the back. Nice U-shaped seating. These lift up and got a spot for a cooler to go in there, which it'll be subs for me if I fix it, which I really want to fix it, y'all. Drop me some comments and let me know, is it worth fixing? Do you think I can pull it off? I know I can, but you know, you gotta want to, y'all. You gotta want to. The Kenwood controller up here, so actually that means And I don't know if I can get in here with the, I got the top set down in here, so I didn't want it blowing out or anything. It was missing a couple screws there. Having issues here. Seeing if I can get this open, because now it's a mess in here. He's got it full of freaking, I had to throw all the life jackets in, because when I got there today to the place, he had all the damn life jackets crammed in the boat, so I didn't want them blowing out. I threw them in here. Now this actually is a pump out head back here. It's not just a porta potty. So this has an onboard tank with a macerator. It does have a stereo in here. It's the Kenwood controller. So, of course, you know me, custom system will be installed. Nice gauges and all. It can be cleaned up. I can polish all that out. If not, I'll take them out. I'll sand them and I'll clear coat them like I do, and she'll look like new. I could take all this out and paint it like I do. I guess some of y'all seen the bass boat restoration. That's the kind of stuff I can do. I can do the wheel and all if I want, or just replace it and put another wheel. She's getting a little stained. Got the offshore radio, got the trim tab controllers, which I'll have to install new pump, the cylinders back there, the hydraulic cylinders. The seats aren't terrible. I do like how it's got the fold up bolsters, but you know, if I'm going to redo any of it, like all that needs to be redone, I'm going to do it all, y'all. I'm going to pull off a Steve-O special, is what I like to do. Got the little wet bar here with the sink, and whatever over here, I guess little ice chest thing, I'm not sure, but got storage under here. Got stainless cup holders. I could replace them with the rings with the lights, have it really cool. You know, I'll be doing a custom system anyway, but it does have some kicker speakers in it right now. Plenty of deck space underneath here in the floor area. Open them doors up. Check out up front here. She's got plenty of seating area. Can come up front here and got the anchor locker. Hey Jasper, what are you doing, buddy? Anchor locker with the ladder that folds out for when you beach it and stuff like that. Pretty cool. Got your navigation lights, but you also got docking lights built in here on the front. I like. I could leave this gray, or I could paint it to match whatever I do with the dash. Make it stand out. You know how I like to do. Got the speakers down in the sides here. I could put nice lighted speakers or something in. Stainless cup holders again. Tell you what, these front seats are kicked back, laid back, y'all. You can kick back in here and enjoy, be able to enjoy the big 268 Monterey. I'll tell you what, plenty of room in this one, man. I like it. Seats are all on hinges to open up like that. Plenty of storage space. And again, some of you know me, some of you don't. Some of you know what I'm capable of on interior work. Some of you know what I'm capable of on mechanical work. She can be sweet, y'all. She can be sweet. Now that I like. Very nice windbreaker when you shut the windshield here. That way it's wind protecting back there. Got David over here cutting grass in the yard. Looks like I need to go move Jasper in the golf cart so he can get to that area. Man, I really do like this boat, I'll tell you what. Because I don't just see dirt and tore up stuff, y'all. I see potential. What kind of amp. She's got to have some amp. I don't see it in there. I bet there's an amp hiding somewhere, y'all. But again, I see lots and lots of potential. Lift up the hatch here. Now again, she needs some work. Probably needs new wood even. Gonna need some new hood strut lift supports. Got the fire extinguisher system in here that would take care of the engine bay area. Nice clean bilge considering that a motor was pulled out of here and all that good stuff. Macerator pump over there, trim pump there. Over there on the wall is the trim tabs pump. But I've been in there and I checked out the transom really good, and it is nice and solid. She is pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. I know somewhere I've seen the battery charger, dual battery charger. It must have been under one of these seats over here. And what I like is, not only is that open up, I can't do it right now because the bimini is laying there, but this whole, you can see the fiberglass piece, this whole assembly lays forward. You can just walk right here in and out of the engine area, so it's going to be really easy to work on, because this boat was made for, you could put a big block or whatever you want in there. So there is ample room, boy, plenty of room. And like I said, that whole thing opens up and you can see the floor area there. That's where you walk in. Be plenty of room to work on it. And I'll have that bilge really clean before I drop the next motor in. Storage area back there for the rear anchor that gets covered when you shut that. Pretty nice, y'all. I like it. Got your pop-up hidden cleats. I don't know. Y'all drop me some comments. Tell me what you think. Does she deserve a Steve-O special? I think she does, man. This son of a gun gonna be nice. Or should I do like most people and just scrap it? I mean, obviously it went to the boatyard because he said it needed some motor work. On this, had the Volvo set up in it. Needed work. They pulled the motor. By the time they was done with that part, whatever happened with the customer, they could not afford to continue going. It's not cheap working on boats, y'all. If you have to pay somebody to do it, I'm going to tell you that right now. If you got to buy stuff, it is not cheap. So they wound up pretty much leaving and abandoning it at the boatyard. The boatyard knows what the boat's worth when it's fixed and in nice shape. Guess what? They don't even want to pay the mechanics to do it and to buy the replacement motor and all that, you know. So just goes to show you, it takes a special person to do this job and save this boat and bring it back to life. I've done it on many other ones. It probably wasn't worth as much doing, so I think this one deserves it. And this is the trailer that I brought down from South Carolina. I still got to tow this boat another 600 miles back home. So again, I'm going to call myself a special person. I don't know if that special is dumb or special is kick ass and going to make her a beautiful boat again and bring her back the glory that she deserves, putting her back on the water. Who knows? Might even sell her later when she's done. If I do, it's going to make somebody happy. All right. Again, let's hear them comments. I want to know what you think. Is she a fixer or is she a scrapper? Am I the special person to do it? All right, we got the one boat over there. And I had to take a little walk over here because we still got the Maxim hiding over here. I got to get this one back to South Carolina too. Y'all might have seen this little clip in the other video. This is probably the trailer I'm going to fix and actually put the big boat on, because as you can see, it's a little big for this one anyway, and it's the nice aluminum. So there will be another video on this one also as I get this one fixed and restored. Again, like I was asking, what do y'all think? Should I fix it? Is it worth restoring? Does it need a Steve-O special? It's got the nice Bravo 3 on the back. This one has the 350 fuel injected in it, but it is locked up, unfortunately, but it does still have all the fuel injection, and I can put that right onto another motor. All right, y'all let me know what you think, people. You want to see her get restored, or you want to see her scrapped?